I told you guys I forgot what the place is called, so my brother is here to fill you in. I don't know what the place is called, but my relatives do. Where are we heading? This? Yeah, no. The place we're going to.
مدبر.
مقديابي مدبر.
كابز مالدي؟
هو تخيل كترك كيد بس هو تخيل كان بحرك.
Yes.
Alright, so we're gonna go to Madabar right now.
Yeah.
We're gonna show you guys the country. You guys are definitely gonna like it. What's in Madabar? Okay. Yeah. Gate.
Just meet.
I think is it like this warehouse? Yes. Where are we heading to? Do you have any idea?
I forgot the name.
Forgot the name. We're heading to Madabar. Say Madabar.
Madabar.
We're heading to Madabar right now. Are you excited to see that place? Do you have any idea how it looks like?
No idea at all.
Yeah. Where are we heading to right now? She's moody. Dina's really grumpy to me, and she thinks I'm talking to her. I don't want to talk to you, and I don't want to be your friend today. This is street in Taibarit. This is Godana Haranet.
Main Godana, yeah.
This is the main Godana. Left Girka? بحتي مسكرة.
في مسكرة داري مسكرة حاول وقدو.
Yeah. This is Madabar. Yeah. So we're currently heading out the ride. We're gonna go inside Madabar right now, right? Are you excited to go in Madabar? You're not excited? Come on.
I mean, I've been there. So.
You've been there? How many times have you been to Madabar? Twice. They got all kind of brands here, including the Congo. So we're currently heading in Madabar. Yeah. I don't think if you guys can see it, but that church right there. Yeah. Yeah. يجي كله بيدهم قبره مش؟ Yeah. بزي أخليتات له. Yeah. This كله زي بيدهم سرحوا بزي. Oh my god. زي كله. أوله. Yeah. Bras. Yeah. Everything. بس كاكو ونبي.
هو فيه.
زي مغلوق. زي إنجرا قالك قبل مش؟
لا سوا.
زين السوا. This is before, and this is after they're done. This is the finished product. Yeah, this is my gas. Okay, yeah. So we just left Madabar right now. We're currently gonna head to Abalis Giher. Hopefully it's open. If it's open, I'm gonna be able to show you guys how it looks like from the inside. So we currently walked into Abalis Giher. Yeah. We're walking up the hill right now to the church.
Guys, it's so hard to climb here. Low-key.
Yeah, low-key, it was really hard to climb here. Like, it's really high and it's really hard. But we're trying to stay strong. We gotta walk and just do it.
You have to thug it out.
Oh, but oh, finally there. Damn, it's so up. We're gonna go up there. We're gonna show you guys how Asmara looks like from the top. Jesus, I really hope this camera does justice and shows you guys how amazing it looks like. Oh my god, this is an eagle! It's going down. This is called the Bat Asmara. This is so beautiful. It actually looks way better in real life. currently walking up the church right now. The place is called Guerrero. Okay, for the billionth time. You can see the whole city from up this church. Okay. Let's go, guys. Let's go back home. Started raining. Let's dip. Yo. Fast, let's dip. It started raining. We should head back home, man. Bro, nobody got their umbrella. Can you run? What? It started raining. Are we heading back home? Where are we going now?
We're heading to...
No.
I don't know.
No, I don't think we're heading back home. He's gonna show us a place, he said, I think. Yeah.
It's raining though. You guys don't have umbrellas.
It doesn't matter. Do it for the vlog.
Alright.
I hope it rains. I wish it's rain. I'm hoping.
Yeah. It's just dripping for now. It's just raindrops.
Watch your step, bro. I swear it's beautiful, guys.
We just came down from there. It is so tiring, man.
Eagle,
Huh?
whatever it is.
It looks like an eagle, right?
Yeah.
It's a hawk.
It's a hawk?
Yeah.
No, I think it's an eagle. It's an eagle. What about the eagle or the hawk or whatever you saw?
Huh?
What about it? You were talking about an eagle right now?
And they're just flying around us.
Yeah.
Watching us.
Why, were you scared? Might he take you somewhere?
I saw an alligator. I'm not sure.
An
Yes.
alligator?
Yeah.
Moses, do you know where alligators live?
I said I'm not sure. I might or I might not.
There's no way you're gonna find an alligator here. Come on, you're making that shit up. I can swear you're making that up.
It's
This
raining.
Eritrea, baby. You see everything.
I haven't seen a rabbit yet though. Right?
Why would you want to see a rabbit? People usually want to come here to see like beautiful places. Why would you want to see a rabbit?
What is that?
That's the house. Whoa, what is this? Crazy.
What's that?
Oh, it's a beehive for sure. Look at it. It has holes up to the You can see it. I swear to God.
Ah, there you go. You saw something weird. Didn't you? Happy? Moses, you don't see alligators here. Come on, man. Huh?
Trust me. You probably didn't notice it right now, but once you go through the footages, you're gonna see it.
How does an alligator look like?
It's like dark orange and slimy and something like that.
I don't think you've seen an alligator. Come on, man.
See,
Alligators don't even look like that.
Laugh now, but trust me, when you go through the footages, you're gonna see.
Is it brown or green?
He said it was orange.
Oh.
Dark orange.
It was dark orange.
Brown.
No.
Let's say brown.
Dark orange.
It was brown.
So you believe him too? You think you saw an alligator there?
Probably a sheep or a horse.
Oh yeah, you probably saw a sheep
Maybe
or a
no.
horse.
The way, she makes it sound like it was a pony or something. Yo, this is in the newspaper.
Yeah. Oh, you randomly find newspapers just laying here. Oh, who's listening to songs? Who's listening to music
There's
here?
music everywhere.
Oh wait.
If I could take you up in paradise like yours, if you will tell me I'm the only one that you use, life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again, shaboom, and hoping we'll meet again. Oh, shaboom, 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 shaboom.
Alright guys, so we're shooting behind the scenes of Missing You, Kasab and Rakhab, featuring This is like take what? How many takes did we do so far?
Take 54.
Take 54? Alright, sometimes take 58. Daniel is
Always.
zabbling us
Always.
with the food. Yes, and this is a treat. Raphael's just, I don't know what Raphael's doing to be honest. Oh yeah, Raphael's the DJ for now. He just clicks this. Moses broke his arm right before the video clip. Such a sad life for Moses.
Yeah, my dad thinks my dad's here with us, enjoying us. What do you think so far? You like the video clip?
Yes, the starting is very good. I
Yeah?
hope we can continue like that. You have to work hard, man.
Yes.
Hopefully.
Yes, sir.